loves. It's that time of year to start thinking about fall decor transitioning. And to start, I normally share with you my fall wreath or floral arrangements to start off the season. So let's get started. To start this DIY, I purchased a set of paper mache boxes for $4.80, originally $9.99 from Michael's. Start by spray painting the complete lid and inside and bottom of the box to the color you decided. Don't forget to paint the edges and the top edge completely. Then cut your craft paper or your material to the size you need to cover the side of the box and the side of the lid. With your sponge paintbrush, paint the Mod Podge in sections to the sides. Start with the lid first. At this stage, add any embellishments that you like to cover your lid. I'm using a parachute coating that I purchased from Michael's for $2 and I believe 59 cents, just to add something extra and to give that finished look. Use hot glue for easy application. Once you finish adding your craft paper or material to the side of the box, then tie a ribbon around the box. Now I'm using a 1.5 inch wide satin black ribbon. This finishes off elegantly and ends up in a simple bow. It really gives it a striking appearance to this black and white box. Some foam and I measured the inside of the box so it would fit down in here. When you apply the flowers, they will stand up easily. So we have prepared our flowers, and all of these flowers comes in a bushel from Dollar Tree. This is their fall floral garden for this fall. But these picks here are from Michael's. They were $2.99 a piece and they were on sale, I believe 40% off, or I had a coupon. Yes. And we have these picks here, well, florals from Dollar Tree. These are the special cotton florals that come like this. Very nice. And they're also from the floral garden from Dollar Tree. We're going to start putting these in our box and then we're done. I'm so excited to see what this is going to look like. I think I'm going to start with these picks and I'm going to put these on the edge, outside edge of the hat box or box, flower box to start it off. Now you want to spread out your leaves so they look real You don't want them to look like they came straight out the box like this. See how they squish together like that? So you want to spread them out so they look like they're live and growing out of the stem, not smushed together like they came out of the packing box. So that's what we do. And we're going to put this on the opposite side. We're going to make sure we add our bow here. The bow is the front. So now we're just going to work our way around, see how that looks. And if it doesn't look right, we can always adjust it. So now we're going to start with some chrysanthemums. What I'm trying to do is make a ball of some sort. I don't want too much of the flowers hanging over the box because the box is the focal point. And I want the flowers to kind of be close to the rim of the box. Now, most of you know, you've seen me put together floral arrangements before. I don't have a plan of how I want this to turn out. It's more like feel. It's I guess you can call it an artist feel. We just feel where things should be placed to make it balanced, to make it look good, and also come out with some sort of outcome that we like. Now the ones in the center I cut longer because I want them to stand up a little bit higher than the ones on the edges. So now I'm just having a feel of where I can place certain things. I don't want the same flower next to each other. So I'm just basically going around filling in areas that looks like it's too much of the same flower in a bunch. Now I'm going to get ready to put some specialty picks in here. I have these pumpkins, we have cotton, and then we have acorn. And I'm just going to go and see what's the best way to put it. After all, this is a fall floral arrangement, so of course I want pumpkins in here. This is one of my faves for floral arrangement. The paper mache box really adds another out-of-the-box idea for the fall, no pun intended. A great gift for loved ones or a housewarming. You can also use real flowers. Just add a plastic lining, floral foam, and cut flowers. It would be just as stunning. So can you guess where the top is to the top of the box? I used it as a stand, but you can also stage the top on the side, leaning against the box. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you like this video, please comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!